Hello everyone and welcome back to another video made by me. Anyway, today we are driving some vehicles down a cliff to see which one can actually make it to the bottom alive in one piece. I think the slowest vehicles will make it because not the fastest, and you can get out of control or if the engine blows up or something crazy like that. And this vehicle I've already lost control of, and I was paying full attention as well. Well, that sounds good. Sauce now sounds good. Piss off. Whoa! Oh no, it's turning in circles. I count it when it dies, and it can't go any further. Oh. I think we may have to call that one. Yeah, and we are going to be leaving them in the track. Just so if another one crashes, it's even more fun. Got this one. We've got loads of cars here, by the way. Let's get racing. Let's try to avoid obstacles. Now there's another car that's crashed. It's funny. That obstacle is so crazy. Like, how it makes it over, I have no idea. So this one's already made it further than the other one. I haven't lost control of it. I suppose maybe the other one had a trailer on it, so it might make it lose control a little bit easier. Oh, ramp! We hit the ramp! Oh, flip it. Maybe I shouldn't have hit the ramp. Maybe it would have survived better without the ramp. We've lost the wheel now. I don't think we're going to be able to make it down alive. Be lucky if we could. You have to be moving to across the line. You can't just slide across the line. You have to actually be using your own engine power to slide across the line. They had to call that one there. Well, that one didn't go to plan. Okay. Next vehicle is a faster one. So let's see if fast speed works better. Oh, listen to that. Oh. Maybe not, maybe not. I think I'm just a bad driver, aren't I? Second car. I think I tried hidden jump on the other ones, so that... I just do 50 million barrel rolls. It's getting over in the ditch, isn't it? And in the hole. Get in there where you belong. Okay, let's try this one now. Some stupid vehicles here. Racing fan, all sorts. Trying to get the highest quality one of each one. This one's just the highest one I could find. That I wanted like SUV versions of the hatchback version because I thought it might look a little bit. I thought it might be a bit better, especially going over this. And there's not much speed difference actually between the two. I think there might be a slight speed difference, but I'd rather have something that's gonna maybe survive a little bit easier than have something that's not gonna survive. I know it's not gonna survive. Ooh. Okay, can we not hit the ramp this time? Please? I hit the ramp. I didn't want to, I tried to avoid it. Can it make it further than the other one? Don't think it's quite going fast enough to make it further than the other one. Wait. Oh! Oh! It's still moving under its own... I would count this. It's still moving under its own power. I think we have to end it there though, because that's not steering greatly. Yeah, let's try... Go away, stupid notices. I know it's antivirus, I'll sort it out after the video. I'm like two rounds of this. If this ends within 7 minutes 50, I will be doing 2 rounds! To see if I not crash every single car, or spin out every single car. If any of you know why it keeps spinning out, or what driving errors I'm making, please notice them in the comments down below. Oh, there's another one there. Oh, that's a part. That blew out a tyre. Oh no, it's hit the bumper. Oh, that's bad. Oh, more damage. I've lost a tyre, I think. I made it further than any other. That's the furthest car so far, though. And it's not got much damage. If I could just stop it from running up the cliff and doing too much damage, I might. Let's see if we can flip it over. Just like flip it over. Oh, come on. Yeah, let's see if it's. No, it's not driving. Oh, maybe it is. Maybe it is. Well, that's the furthest we've gone so far. Let's try the drag. What is that engine? I'm already losing control of this drag car. And there we are. I've already lost control of it. That wasn't going to plan, did it? Oh. Well, let's go try the other cars. Let's try this thing. Let's see if I can do any better with a tiny little... We actually might do better! Being a three-wheeler! Right, what bin? Well, that bin's good. I bet you by the time we get to the bottom, that bin could have fallen off. It's going nearly 100. Oh. It didn't quite have enough speed to go over the lump. Oh no, look at it go! It's so sad of a sight to see. It might be able to make it. It doesn't lose any wheels or anything. Oh well, as soon as I say that, it loses the wheels. That's just jinxed. At least we haven't hit any other cars yet, I suppose. I think we're done with that car now. Okay, let's try this. Look at that lift up on the body! Come on! Okay, let's get this going. Ooh, I don't know what that was, but it was pretty. I lost the hubs, and I've lost the car. Maybe not. Oh, go! I haven't lost it yet. Oh, I've lost it now, but bent the whole thing in half. Oh, maybe not. I think that's dead. Okay, let's try this. That's a drift. This is a drift, apparently. Maybe I should get a normal man next time. I think. Oh, shit, I've lost it. I've lost it! Bye-bye! Spinny. Okay, maybe... Ooh! Okay. Let's put that back at the top a minute. I'm just gonna get some new cars and let's try some different cars. Maybe it's a slightly slower version of the drag van. Maybe we'll find something a little better. Maybe a little more controllable. Let's try one of these. Let's try a sport version of this. Come on, load, little beast. Oh wow, it's not responding. Let's go. Let's get that going. To roar the engine, it goes roaring down the hill. It needs to get over 100 before it gets to the speed bump, or it won't make it. Perfection. Like he's done it a million times before. Maybe just trying to get used to this track might be a good idea. And maybe not going 170 down it might be a good idea. If I put the brakes on now, I know what's going to happen. Ooh, I couldn't avoid that. I tried. No chance of avoiding that. Ooh, incoming car. Hey, I know what I'm going to try. I know what I'm going to try that will make it down here no matter what. Some of them are really damaged. I know this will make it down here. If it doesn't, I'm going to be pretty mad. I've now just done that. This should make it. It's called the Hero Bus. I think it'll make it. The only problem is he might not be able to get to 100. Actually, we will definitely be able to get to 100. I'll show you how we get to 100. On this thing. Oh, it's going a wheelie. It's doing a wheelie. It's got too much power. Stop! Please! No brakes. Engine blown. Engine. Kill him. And it's still going. I told you it might make it. I I think that car kind of killed it. Oh, is he gonna make it past? It's just gonna take him out. Rear end him, more like. I think we may be embedded. Okay, let's try this again. Maybe we can control it a little bit more. That's better. Get some good speed up for the first bit. Oh, it's gonna blow the motor. It's gonna blow the engine. It's gonna blow it. It's gonna blow it. Rocket on again. Oh, okay. I've just hit something. I've got flat. I've lost a wheel. I've lost a wheel. Wheels help. Wheels help. Wheels may help. But so does speed, to be honest. So, yikes. Yeets it into the mountain. Yeets it into the mountain. It's a bit crushed. Let's try. I've got something I might have to try that might work. Let's try. This is good. I can't even make it at the bottom, might help. Let's try this. This will have to pick up the cars. Check. That's fine. Okay. Look at this. This will definitely get to the bottom. Hopefully. Speed is needed. 260 is maybe a bit too fast. Going at high speeds. Ooh, wipes out a car. I think it's still going okay. Maybe not. Let's try a different car then. Buses don't work. Should we try a truck? Let's try a truck. Let's see if this makes it. If this doesn't make it, I'm gonna die. I mean, I'm not gonna die. I'll die in the truck when it crashes. If this doesn't make it, I'm gonna be very upset. If this doesn't make it, I'm obviously gonna die in the truck, aren't I? Duh. It's making it. It's actually doing something for once. Now we just don't need too much speed because it popped the tyres otherwise. And we don't need to crash into anything. E.g. bus. I think I've turned the bus off. Engine's blown. And now it's going. We can't brake. We now can't brake. And there's a huge piece of bus in the way. I was doing so well. And a bus had to come along and ruin our day. Maybe we should do that again. Maybe we should go through all the cars and reset them. Okay, there we are. That means all the cars are now up here. Wednesday. AI. Random. That means they're all going to come after me. Oh dear! Oh, and he's got some more speed than me. Oh, this is going to go tragically wrong. Oh, I'm getting speed. I'm getting speed. This might go tragically wrong on this. Anyone that doesn't get enough speed is going to tragically die. Oh my days, that's crazy. Oh, I've never taken a car! What is going on today? Engine's going to blow. Engine's going to blow. Engine's going to blow any second now. There we are. Gone. Engine's gone. But there shouldn't be any trash that blocks us this time from being better. Ooh! Come on, make it to the bottom, make it to the bottom. Where else is going to actually make it to the bottom? Might be nice to know. Oh, no way are you going to make it to the bottom of this. This, of all things, we're 168. We're going to make it to the bottom. We are as well. Well done, Luke. Give me a round of self-applause. We might not survive. I think we have a frame rate drops. No, we don't have this, but I'm filming, so... Die! Dead. Okay. Dead. 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 Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, like, share, and thanks to my subscribers, Henry, Ethan, and Colin. Thanks, and see you later, guys. Bye.